What's going on, guys? Chris here at Freedom Van Go, and behind me we have a really cool looking Revel. This Revel has been with us through the shop 3 or 4 times over the past 2 or 3 years, so it's awesome to see returning customers. As you can see, a lot of stuff has been done to this Revel, but what we did this time might not be as obvious. So let's check it out. So behind me, what you'll notice is we actually swapped out the Revel factory awning for a Fiamma F80S manual awning. It's really cool. There's not a lot of people that have done this before. We've seen a couple of them on the Facebook groups, but basically we were able to retain the factory roof rack on the Revel. Kind of had to adapt the factory awning brackets, keep them there to retain the roof rack, but then also add the Fiamma F80 brackets along with additional brackets. We had to order more brackets from Fiamma to make it all work, but honestly, it's mounted, it's great, it works perfectly, and it looks seamless. If you want to get your van worked on by us, go to freedomvango.com, go to the contact us page, and we'll reach out to you. And if you want to buy parts from us, go to vanpartswarehouse.com and get all your cool parts for your van.